After about a quarter mile, we took a left at the Watchman Trail. We headed southeast into the sparsely forested south flank of Watchman Peak. After a short distance, the trail begins to switch back to the peak. Here, a curious Clark's Nutcracker watches us climb to the top. Again, it's worth taking your time to enjoy the beautiful alpine flowers that are growing along the way. This truly is a wonderful alpine flower trail. As we gained elevation, we began to get some nice scenic views.